Good afternoon, everybody. Techout here. This is my 1-week review of the Whitestone Dome screen protector for the Pixel 6 Pro. And as you can see here, very, very nice. I didn't have any issues installing it. It went on flawlessly. No dust, no bubbles, no imperfections or anything like that. Fingerprint sensor, as you can see here, works excellent. No issues whatsoever. This is the December update, by the way. All 3 times, no issues. It's very smooth around the edges. Very clear. And you can see I do have some smudges and stuff on it, but other than that, nothing on there, no scratches. Like I said, very smooth around the edges. Nice camera cutout on the top right there, so it doesn't affect your photos at all. And just a very, very, very nice screen protector. I highly recommend these. I've been using them for quite a while on multiple different devices. So that is the Whitestone Dome for the Pixel 6 Pro. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.